Hello guys, it's Mr. Noor, and as I promised, I'm going to make a 3-digit multiplication video to help you practice, refresh your memory, or learn for the first time. So the problem I'm going to use is 1,253 times 321. Okay, so the first step is to multiply 3 times 1 in the ones place, and then I get, oops, let me change the color there. I get 3. And next, my step is to multiply 5 times 1, which gives me 5 in the tens place. Then I multiply 2 times 1, which gives me 2 in the hundreds place. And then 1 times 1, which gives me 1 in the thousands place. So my first row is now complete, and I am now done with my ones place. I'm going to now go into my tens place. So this is very important here, because when I go into my tens place, my answer is now going to go right here in the tens place. Therefore I have to put a place value holder 0, and that 0 will go right over here. So now continuing on, that's my place value holder, the blue 0. I do 2 times 3, which is 6 in the tens place. And now I do, oops, let me bring that back, 6. And then now I do 5 times 2, which is 10. So I put the 0 here in the hundreds place, carry the 1 over the 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 that's carried is 5. That goes in the thousands place. And then on my last one, on my second row, 2 times 1, or 1 times 2, is 2. So I put that in the 10,000s place. Now I'm going to complete my third row. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is, again, going to be very important, so because you don't want to make this mistake, because if you do, you can change the whole answer. So the 9 goes in the hundreds place right there, because it's directly below the 3, which is also in the hundreds place. So we have 2 more place value or placeholders right there, the 2 zeros. Continuing my problem, 5 times 3 is 15. So I put the 5 in the thousands, carry the 1 over the 1 in the hundreds place, and I do 2 times 3, which is 6, plus the 1 that was carried over is 7. That goes right here in the 10,000s place. And then 1 times 3 is 3, and that goes down in the 100,000s place. Just like that. Now I have an addition problem to finish. And this here, the next step I like to use, because it helps me, just when I add, it just helps me see the numbers and place values there. So I put a placeholder above right here. I put another one here, and then here. I'm just filling in that empty space so it doesn't look like, nothing's there. There are actually zeros there, and it helps me see place value better when I add. So I do that. You can do that too. 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 6 is 11, carry the 1 above the 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9 is 12, carry the 1 again above this one, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7, plus another 5 is 12 again, carry the 1 above the 0, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10, 0 goes there in 10, and the 1 is carried over the 0, 1 plus 3 is 4. I am now done with my problem. All I have to do is add some commas, or comma in this case. I have 6 digits in my problem, or in my answer, so the comma goes after the 2 and between the other 2. So I have 402,213 as my answer. I'm going to go ahead and circle that in red. And And that, ladies and gentlemen, is 3-digit multiplication. You can rewind this video, you can pause it, you can come with questions to class, to me. You can do whatever you need to do to help you understand this step-by-step process. It is not an easy problem to do, but it's also not difficult if you know your multiplication facts, as I clearly do, and it goes faster. So the more you practice your facts, the faster this problem will go. And all you have to really remember is the steps with the placeholders and lining up your problems neatly, like right here. This is very important. This part, that's what helps you add at the end. And if these are not lined up, your problem is going to be different and the answer is going to be incorrect, most likely. So thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and until next time.